Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Samyang Buldak Carbonara hot chicken flavor Tteokbokki. What is Tteokbokki? I don't know, but it seems to be some kind of rice cake. Rice cake. Let's get inside the box. Another product from the Samyang Corporation, and this one is the famous carbonara flavor. Carbonara. Italian and Koreans coming together to create new magnificent product. Ooh, look at this, look at this. We have the famous chicken logo here, and this one I checked, it has interesting tutorial. You have to first put water and then you put it in the microwave. But first you have to put rice cake and sauce in the bowl. So let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the sauce. Okay, this is the rice cake, and okay, this is the flavor. So first we put the rice cake inside. Okay, let's see. How does this open? How does the rice cake open? Let's just use the knife here. Easy mode. Ooh. So first put the rice cake in, like this. What is this? Do not eat mokchi maseyo, tabe maseyo. Okay, so I guess we put this inside as well. And what was the next step? I forgot. We have to put water inside, yeah. Of course, the water inside until the mark. So let's see, where is the mark? There is some kind of mark over there, so. Boom. That's enough water. That's enough water. But what was the next step then? I had to put the sauce also. Does it mean this one or this one? The powder comes last, so now we put hot sauce, okay? This is the, you can see the color, look. It's the spicy Buldak sauce. Oh, this will burn in your mouth. Look, it looks like I'm bleeding, but actually it's just hot sauce. But soon I will be bleeding from my mouth after I eat this. So now it looks like this. Boom. I guess now we just put it in the microwave. Do I have to mix it up together? I don't think so. I was supposed to put the sauce before the water, but I don't think it matters. Just gonna like do this. It's gonna mix up. You see? It mixed up already. There's some nutrient values. Yeah, let's put it in the microwave. And we have to put the lid on. And for 3.5 minutes, 700 watts. So, juviest rice cake in Korea. Let's see if this is the true. So put the lid on, like this. 3.5 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. You thought I was gonna let you finish? Well, not today. Okay, the food is ready. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Oh, look, Buldak ramen from the microwave. It's super weird you have to microwave it. What is this? What is this? Okay, well, let's not judge it first. Let's put in the powder first and see what happens. Smells good. And I guess now we mix it. You use the fork, so let's get the fork. Finally a food I can eat without the chopsticks. So, mix it up well. Ooh, the water is starting to become more like a sauce, a thick, juicy sauce, and not just the water. It's less than I expected. There's not many rice cakes here, but I think this will fill us up really well. So, rice cake. Samyang Buldak Carbonara, made in Korea. Ooh, nutrition information. Protein, 5% per 100 and 9 per serving. So this will fill you up for 1 hour. And yeah, where's the tutorial? Perfect recipe with highlights or famous buldak flavor. Stir well. Yeah, we have to stir it even more well. So can you hear that? That is the sound of Buldak Topokki. Hot chicken flavor ramen. They look yummy. They look juicy. They're full of carbonara and buldak hot flavor juice. Let's go ahead and taste it up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Buldak Pokemon hot chicken flavor tteokbokki tastes any good. Ooh, look at the juice. It's dripping. It's dripping, dog. You're dripping, dog. Ooh, yummy. Yummy. Smell like carbonara, as expected. How's the taste? Let's find out. Oh. Oh, it's chewy, very chewy, but at the same time, oh, hot. It's really hot. Okay, Buldak doesn't disappoint when it comes to the spices. Damn, it's hot. I like how they have a lot of sauce here. Look how much sauce there is. They didn't save up on the sauce. The sauce is good. Damn, it's hot. I really like the rice cake. It's better than the noodles because it's chewy. It's almost like a bubble gum. The bubble gum that eventually breaks down in your mouth. Straighten up the jawline. Crazy hot. But I'm gonna drink it. I mean, eat it without any milk. No, I'm not a milk drinker. Look. Let's try to drink the sauce, how it tastes like. It's not as spicy as the noodles, but it's still spicy. Would you like some rice cakes, tteokbokki? I wonder what the rice cake is made from. Let's see if we can find the ingredients. 83% rice cake and rice, refined salt with some acid, citric acid, ethyl alcohol. Oh, damn. Damn, it's spicy. It's filling you up pretty well too. I like. I need to get some paper. I have to get some paper. It's too hot. Why does my noise start leaking when I'm eating spicy food. I don't know. It's really spicy. Don't touch your eyes. Mistake. Really interesting combination, rice cake and buldak. Bonus points for chewy rice cakes and bonus points for adding a lot of sauce. Thank you again, Samyang Corporation. This has been a great product. I respect it. And I respect Korean people for making this amazing food. Look, almost finished. What rating should we give this? I mean, it was kind of expensive, like 4 or 5 euros, but that's just because it's exported. I think this will cost like 2 euros in Korea or something. I guess the only negative part is that you need microwave to make it, because I don't have microwave in my home. I have to come to my parents' home to film this video, so yeah. Usually you just put water, but this one needs microwave. So if you don't have microwave, don't buy this. And if you can't take the heat, don't buy this, because it's really big heat. I would say it's 70% of the original Buldak hot ramen. Because as you saw, the packet of hot spice was a little bit smaller. The rice cake a little bit softening up also the flavor. The carbonara flavor, it's not so strong actually. So I guess there's one more room for improvement. I think it was more hot in the ramen version, but yeah. Thanks for watching this review. Leave a comment if you tasted it or not, and if you like it. I liked it. 9.5 out of 10. Great product from Korea. Recommend it. Thanks for watching. I have to go drink some milk. I'm sorry guys, I disappointed you. I have to drink some milk after this. Or ice cream. But yeah, like the video, subscribe, and I see you guys in the next consumer goods review. Thanks for watching.